How do I customize the built-in email newsletter templates in LISTSERV Maestro? In the previous tutorial, we explored the built-in newsletter and announcement templates in LISTSERV Maestro. Now, let's take a look at how we can make quick and easy customizations based on the custom logo and color scheme that we stored. To access all of the templates, open the main menu and select Content Templates. Then locate the template that you'd like to customize. Right-click on its name and create a copy of the template. To make quick modifications to the template, use the options on the right side of the screen. Here you can change the color of the header, footer, text, links, and buttons. When you open the color picker, you will notice that the custom colors that we entered are easily accessible so that you don't have to remember the color code for each color in your color scheme. You also have many different fonts to choose from for your template. Once you are finished with these initial customizations, click the next button to continue. The next screen contains an HTML editor that allows you to make all kinds of fine-tunings to the template. The widget hierarchy panel shows the structure of your newsletter template with all of its parts. You can add template components, and you can delete them. You can use the editor to change any font sizes and modify any styles that you want by changing the widget properties. You can also add any of the drop-ins that you have created. When you are done, click the Save button to save your changes. To allow your modified template to be used for mailings, right-click on it and choose Enable to activate it. You can also rename the new custom template if you want. Now, when you go to the Define Content step of a mail job, your modified template will be available under User Defined Templates. Just like with the system templates, you can use the easy HTML editor to enter all of your newsletter content into your new modified template without the need for any coding. Depending on how you set up your template, most parts can be cloned and deleted, which adds flexibility and convenience when creating your content. Thank you for watching.